guys, Big D and Chopper here, and today we have something we want to show you. Well, are you, well, it's very cold outside. Are you feeling cold? Well, come and check it out what we have. Today we have the oh, the remote control fireplace. Y'all can't see? Yep, this here is the remote control fireplace. You see, this fireplace works with remote control. You can just push this here's the remote for it. You can push it, the buttons on. This is how high you want it. And so, watch and learn this. You'll see how it goes. Ready, Chopper? Oh, if some of y'all new here, my name is Marcus, and this is my dog Chopper. Be sure you subscribe and turn on your notifications. Now, I'm going to show you how this thing. Now, I'm going to show you how this works. Ready? Here we go. Now, me and my mother, we built it ourselves, and we had some help from my dad. I'm telling you, it was nice when we all worked together, don't you think? We get everything done. It's called teamwork. You know how the saying goes, teamwork you want to make your dream work, try teamwork, cause teamwork make dream work. Okay, now here it is. Watch when and I'm gonna turn off the light. I mean, it was a little more complicated than we thought. I mean, building this remote control fireplace, it was a lot more complicated than we thought. But with some help from my dad, we got it done in no time. Okay, now I'm gonna turn this on. You see how the lights came on the wood? Now, this is low. No, now this is low. This is medium. No, that's low, medium, and high. And it drops back again. Low, medium, high. Medium, low, medium, high. Now let's turn on the fan. There we go. This is where the fan blows through. See that? Pretty neat, isn't it? And when you sit from the chair back here, you can feel how warm it is back here. Chopper, you feel how warm it is? Alright. You see, we built this part on top of the fireplace. And here's some pictures we put right here. Oh, and we also put some doors here. Hi, Pawpaw. That's my grandpa that died. He died like a few years ago. And this right here, this is my grandmother. I really am gonna miss her. I taught my mom, and they say they don't want any doors on this fireplace here. But I taught them into it. Yep, I taught them into it. I say it does look nice with outdoors, but with doors make it look 100% completed. Yep. Yep, Chopper. I yes, Chopper. I taught my mom and dad into it. Yep, way to go me. This is the remote control to the remote control fireplace. There's only three buttons. This is the on and off button. The high, the high, the high, medium, and low button. And this is to turn on the fan. And turn off the fan. Isn't this thing cool or what, Chops? I mean, Chopper, he's okay. He doesn't care how cold it is outside. His fur keeps him warm when it's cold out there. What a brave little dog he is. Aren't you, Chopper? This here is the project screen. I know it may look like a real fireplace, but it's only the lights. This here is the fire. Well, it's not a real fire. It's just a project fire. It's a project type fire. I know it looks so real. Wouldn't you agree? This is where the lights come on. Also, we also gotta keep this fireplace clean, so that way we can keep those dust bunnies out of there. Because dust bunny make it make the house smell like it's burning up. Yet we can't let that happen. Love is the master key that opens the gate of happiness. Now, when we're all feeling all warmed up, we can turn it off, like this. But when we came from outside and we got cold again, you can turn it back on again. Sorry, I pushed it twice. I tried to turn it on, but it was off. Look into my eyes. Chopper says, look into his eyes. We built this, me and my family, we built this fireplace like last year on December. Or is it November? I can't remember. But it was fun when we built it. We get this job done in no time, and when we all work together. Don't y'all agree with me? Well, Chopper, what you gotta bark to your fans? Aw, he done gave y'all a puppy kiss. Well, that's all the time we have for today. This is Big D and Chopper saying, see you all next time.